I do not know why credit cards keep coming. Sino ang nag-refer sa akin? Basta, credit cards keep coming. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here and welcome back to my channel. Okay, it is a wonderful day because today is weekend and I feel confidently simple and beautiful. Aba, ang lakas ng loob. Beautiful talaga. Hindi, kasi ganito, whatever that is in your inside comes out to the outside. So parang kung ano yung nasa loob mo, nagre-reflect sa mukha mo. So kapag masaya ka, masaya yung itsura ng mukha mo, masaya ka, your whole being, so nagiging maganda ka. Yun, kasi the more you smile, the more you look beautiful, the more you look pretty. Yun yung belief ko and yun yung paniniwala ko and it happens talaga na kapag masaya ka, kung ano yung nasa loob ng puso mo, talagang lumalabas yan sa mukha. The way you talk, the way you smile, the way you do things, so nagre-reflect talaga. So, kailangan palagi tayong masaya. That's the secret. Okay, so today, katulad ng sinabi ko, I feel so happy and I feel so confident because of two things. So, I want to share with you, before we go into the main topic, I want to share two things with you. Okay, so for the past 2 years, I think, or 3 years, I think, I've been taking this one, turmeric tea. Okay, this is turmeric tea from Herb and Spice. So, I'm getting this from my friend, si Barnett. Siya yung principal ng isang Christian school. And I've been taking this for almost, I think, 3 years already. It does a lot sa health ko. It benefits me so much. I feel my body is being detoxified whenever I'm taking this one. And then I have a good aura. And then I have yung takbo ng utak ko, yung nasa loob ko, ang saya-saya. Maybe because na-detoxify ka lumabas yung mga toxins sa katawan mo. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Recently, I'm also taking this one. MX3 coffee. Actually, ang milk ko is birch tree. And then, I mix my milk with 1 teaspoon of this one. And oh my goodness, yung birch tree kasi is may fiber siya. So, kapag may fiber yung milk, tapos hinaluan mo ito, oh my goodness. Really. And then, when I wake up in the morning, parang I feel, my skin is fair, I feel fresh, I feel, yung pakiramdam ko in my inside is very young. Yan, kaya lumalabas siya. Kaya masaya yung itsura ko, masaya yung itsura mo kapag masaya yung nasa loob ng puso mo. Especially when your system, your organs in your body is healthy, yung buong katawan mo is healthy. So, no doubt na magiging masaya ka talaga kasi wala kang pain na nararamdaman. Whenever you feel pain kasi, it affects the way you look. Siyempre, nakasimangot ka. Alam mo yun, very heavy yung pakiramdam mo kasi nga you're suffering something. But when you're healthy inside and you are happy inside, you look happy and young as well in the outside. So, MX3, once a day ko tong tinatake para magising ako in the morning before I go to work, to the office. Ito yung coffee ko talaga. And in the middle of the day, I'm taking my turmeric tea twice naman sa office. So, ayun yung tinatake ko and I feel great. Okay, so let's go na to our main topic. Napakasaya ko kasi I do not know why credit cards keep coming. Hindi ko na matandaan kung saan ako nag-apply o sino ang nag-refer sa akin. Basta, credit cards keep coming. And my goodness, ngayong umaga na to, mag-a-unpack tayo. Yun pala yung right term kasi hindi naman ito box, no? Okay, so mag-a-unpack tayo ng mga deliveries. Okay, from Lazada and from ano to, LBC. Yan, si LBC. Ito, na-receive ko lang kahapon. And both of them, kahapon. And ito, parang nasa description naman, no? Okay, so I think this one is for my personal use. So today, I'm going to open it with you. Kasi gusto ko lang ding i-share yung mga nangyayari din sa buhay ko na hindi puro credit card na lang. Pwede ba? Let's talk about something else. Okay? Kasi exciting naman ang buhay. Okay, so Lazada, thank you so much for delivering this one. And oh my goodness, this is the one that I've been waiting for. Okay, kasi gusto kong gumamit nito, kaya lang hindi ko kasi sure kung okay siya sa skin ko. Noon pa sana ako mag-order nito, pero hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung texture nito. Baka ma-irritate yung skin ko or magka-allergy ako. Actually, this is a copper mask. Safer ka daw kasi kapag copper mask yung gamit mo na mask. Well, I don't know how true it is, pero nasa pag-iingat pa rin yan. Okay, so pasensya na, hindi ko na siya babasahin kung anong store ko nabili. But then, thank you so much, Lazada. I-review ko na lang yung yung store, and then bibigyan ko na lang siya ng 5 star. Pero depende kung okay itong dineliver. Okay, yung packaging naman is okay. And it's normal na may mga yupi-yupi ng konti kasi syempre sa delivery, sa handling, so that's normal. So, I'd like to open this one and I'd like to show you kung ito ba original. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano tumingin ng original. My goodness. Ng original at ng hindi. Okay, so ito. Copper mask. Antimicrobial face mask. Face talaga. Face mask. Okay, so ito yon. Yan. Okay, dyan. Ay, oh my goodness. Ito pala yung kulay na nabili ko. Nako, nagkamali yata ako ng binili. Ano ba to? Wait, let's see. Ang gusto ko kasing bilhin, yung mismong copper mask. Bakit ganito ito? Ay, hindi. Tama. Tama. Tama ba? Oh, eto yung kanyang tie. And then, this is the mask itself. Okay. So, silicone siya. Malambot. Ala, paano ba to? Okay. I know na. Ito yung nilalagay sa loob. Yan. So, I have to be very careful because this has to be, this has to be malinis. Okay. So, paano to? Ganyan. Ganon? Ala, hindi ako marunong. Ano ba yan? Ganyan? Ganyan ba to? Diyos ko. Magpapaturo ako sa mga anak ko. I don't know how. Is this the way? But anyway, sige. Pag-aaralan ko na ito mamaya. My goodness. Bumili, hindi alam kung paano gamitin o paano suotin. But anyway, turuan nyo ako. Mag-comment na lang kayo down there. Para alam ko kung paano ba gamitin to. So, copper mask. Okay, let me see. Let me just, later on, magpapaturo na lang ako sa mga anak kung paano gamitin yan. Let's go to the next one. Okay, eto naman, ang LBC. Alam nyo ba kung ano to? Kasi naka-receive naman ako ng text, of course, before I received this one. And this is my credit card from the BDO, Bangko de Oro. I've been wanting to have credit card from Bangko de Oro. And hindi ko alam kung sino nag-refer sa akin or kasi hindi ko rin matandaan kung saan ako nag-apply. But anyway, may susunod akong video and may mga revelations ako doon. Kasi I'll be telling you kung sino yung mga tumulong sa akin. Itong mga, lately itong mga na-approve na credit cards, para din may idea kayo kung paano mag-apply ng mabilis, sino ba yung mga pwedeng tumulong sa inyo sa pag-a-apply. So, sa video na susunod, sasabihin ko lahat. But, okay. For this time, samahan niyo muna ako because I am very excited. Ano ba yung kanta niya? I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Ooh, Ooh, I don't wanna lose control and I think I like it. Yeah. Kahit hindi alam ang lyrics, kanta pa rin ng kanta. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. La 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 la. Okay, let's open this one. This is from LBC and this is from BDO. And tan 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 tan. Okay, so eto siya. This is how it looks. So, isi-scissor muna natin ulit para makita natin yung nasa loob ng envelope. Ayun, ba't mahirap? Ayun, okay, so okay, so when you're ready for an upgrade daw, sabi ni BDO. Okay, so I have 2 envelopes here. White and then yung blue. And eto, bubuksan natin itong puti. Kung saan nakalagay yung aking pangalan. Ayun. Okay. So, bubuksan na natin. Let us scissor it. Okay. Ay, hindi. Dito na lang siya. Pag si-scissor lang, hindi pa alam kung saan isi-scissor. Yan. Okay. So, nandito. Wow. Okay. And then, let's open it. I think, matigas kasi eh. So, nandito yung credit card. Yeah. Usually, ganun naman eh. Diba? Kapag, kung saan yung matigas na portion, nandun yung credit card. Oh! And yes! Okay. Sabi ng subscriber, careful daw ako. So, itatago ko muna yung ibang card numbers. So, that's from BDO. Wow! So, I think this one is the classic, BDO classic na credit card. And, alisin natin. Kulay blue. Bawal daw. Bawal daw. Okay, so thank you so much, BDO. So today, before I'm going to use this one or to activate this BDO card, kailangan ko muna pag-aralan ang literature niya. So dito ka muna. So thank you so much, BDO. So there you go. And then meron pa siyang another envelope in here. Wow, ang ganda ng envelope nila. To be fair, BDO lang ang nagbigay ng ganito sa akin. All other banks, envelope lang, and then yung literature ng credit card, kung saan nakadikit yung mismong credit card. Pero dito sa BDO, meron pa silang ganito. Okay, so this is an envelope. Yes, it is. So, open natin. Ganun siya. Yan. So, may flyer dito sa loob. Yan. Okay, so may flyer. So, it's all about BDO, of course. Okay. Yung mga features and then instructions, nandito lahat. So, ito yung mga babasahin ko later. And then, meron silang letter, actually. Okay, babasahin ko pa ba? Wag na. Okay, so ito yung maganda kong balita. And I really can't believe that these credit cards keep coming. Pero warning, kung marami ka ng credit card and still, a lot of credit cards keep coming, it's your choice kung ipapa-activate mo siya or hindi. Pero kung gusto mo, after reading the features and then terms and conditions and then yung lahat ng rates na pag-aralan mo na hindi ka magre-reklamo in the future o magtataka in the future and gusto mo, di mag-activate ka. Pero kapag hindi, give more time to yourself para pag-isipan ng mabuti. Katulad ng sinabi ko, kailangan pinag-iisipan ng matagal. 1 to 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, parang ganyan. Okay, hindi ba? Para hindi magkamali. Kasi okay lang naman. Kung ayaw mo, hindi mo muna i-activate, right? Okay, so there you go for the BDO. And I'm so happy for having, this is my first time to have a credit card from BDO. And thank you so much, BDO. Thank you so much, BDO, for the opportunity of experiencing how it is to have a credit card from your bank. Okay, so yan ang isa sa mga magandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Still, in everything, give thanks. No, you still have to show your gratitude, big or small. Kailangan nagta-thank you pa din tayo. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you so much. It's a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Everybody's hopeful that we will go back to the old normal. Kasi alam mo, miss na miss ko yung old normal. Yung kitang-kita yung lipstick ko, kitang-kita yung eyeshadow ko, yung ganyan. Kasi ngayon hindi na talaga nakikita eh. Kasi you have to cover up the half of your face actually. And then, magfa-face shield ka pa kung kinakailangan. Let's hope and pray that we will go back to the old normal. Kasi miss na miss ko ng old normal. Ikaw ba nag-wish ka na we'll all be going back to the old normal? Sana. So thank you so much for watching. So sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meron din tayong notification bell down here. You can tap that so that you will be notified sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload ko. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.